Hello, everybody. It's Becky. And previously on Becky. What? Michael, did you. How did you get into the. Who is procuring your stock? So, hopefully, in this box, which is box number 3 of I've been going to too many Michaels, and now they're doing the grab boxes for $10 again. We're gonna open this one and hope. Oh, okay, it definitely feels heavier. And we're gonna hope that there are no more letters in this one. Otherwise, my Scrabble is no, just no. So, fingers crossed. Is this box gonna be hit or miss? Oh my god, it's heavy. Okay, my apprentices are just
You're bad at this.
The way they seal
No, you just stab it. It's funny. You just do it. And then we'll do the thing every time.
they've opened the box. Okay. All right. First item is out. What have you got? Oh, okay. Well, I am a teacher, so if I don't use this, I know someone who will. We have a door decor kit, which says, "This is our happy place," but I think it's got like school stuff on it, but it's a kind of like an assemble your own thing. Oh, don't tell me the whole theme of the box can be teacher stuff, do you? It's the weekend. Okay, this is cool. Okay, what's this? Tabletop. Oh, class rules. What do I do with this? Okay, we have some kind of stand. What? Are these magnets? These might be magnets, maybe. Okay, so maybe some kind of like magnet board. Okay, so this I could use in my classroom. That's cute. Oh no. Okay. Michael, maybe you should tell us when they are teacher boxes. But I have some positive stuff. Okay, I've got some posters. Believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible. I like that. Let's learn today. Okay, we're going to learn today. We're going to learn today about the Michael's boxes. Okay, fun. Okay, all right, this is cute. This is cute. Keep shining bright. I kind of like that. That is going in my classroom. Actually, this could go here. Okay. All right. More classroom stuff. Okay, and this is a poster of. Oh, this is nice. It's okay to feel. I think I need to give this to the life skills teacher. This is really cute. Okay. All right. Another door decor. Be a kind human. That's nice. Yeah, if you're gonna be a human, could you at least be a kind human? I started to think that box number 1 was the winner, just straight away. But the value so far, thank goodness I'm a teacher. But oh, that's cute. This is our happy place. It's a little light up one. Now, yeah, because look at the fact. I mean, this is $10. These are all, we've already made the money back on the box. What is this? Okay, I have 2 of these. Thank you. And they were $15 each. Class rules is the. What do I do with these? They have legs. They're pencils with legs on, but I feel like they would sit on the table. No, that doesn't make sense. Any suggestions what these might be? Put a comment below. Any idea what these might be? Are these just like little?
I think it's just table.
Just a table.
Tiny table.
How small are students over here? Like I teach in the middle school, but like are children getting smaller each year, or am I just really big? All right. Oh, okay. This is fun. It says teach. So if you had bought this box and you weren't a teacher, I don't know what you would do with this. But yes, okay. That is very cute. Just in case I get into my classroom and I forget what to do.
Is it still recording? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good. We're good. Okay. All right. This is useful. This is useful. We have. Why has it got a weird shape to it? Okay. It's like a drawer, like a desktop drawer. That is useful. That is going to go on my desk. It's very teachery. Okay. I can use that for my papers. Ooh. Color changing markers. Okay. Not sure what I'd do with just one set of those. We haven't got a whole box of like 150 of these, like the letters, have we? Oh, okay. Okay, cute stuff. You don't need to be a teacher for this stuff. Cord wrap. So these are like little cable tidies. They're cute. I like the cat. Okay, and then we have a phone strap that says BU. So maybe some of these could be like student gifts or something like prizes. Ooh, what are these? Mini notebooks, but one is an apple with not many paper in it. Oh, with like no paper in it. Okay, that's sad. Is there any paper in the bus? No, there is not. Really? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Michael. Oh, more of these. Okay, that's cute because you're always going to have cables. So you can't actually get away with not enough of those. A giant pencil. Tabletop decor. Why was this $10? Is it literally just... It's a giant pencil. Okay. All right, that's fun. You want this, don't you? Yeah, my kid wants this. Okay, it is a sensory pen. And look, nobody's pulled the wax off the bottom yet, so it's not been used. That is cute. Oh, I can see what you want. They give me a broken pen.
I think it's another sensory one.
But then what?
Pull
There's
it down.
something missing on the... Oh, but there must have been something on the top of that. Oh, whatever was on the top of that is now not on the top of that. Was the pen still pen? I don't even know if the pen pens. Is it a pencil? No. Okay. We got trash. Oh, okay. A cute cork board. There is a lot in this. Wow, okay. A cute cork board. I can hang it. I can put my little notices on that. That's kind of cute. Oh, does this one got paper in it? A cute little notebook. Oh. They're giggling again. I'm getting scared. Three bottle bundles for their hygiene stuff. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. We're gonna need a bigger desk. Oh, okay. The aliens are mine. All right, more cord wraps, but this time alien. A fried egg in the shape of a star and a watermelon. Oh, we got two of those. Okay, that's cute. And you know what they're useful for as well, actually, is their like their Chromebook cables in their bag. They can wrap those up. Oh, it's a skateboard, but it's a sharpener. Oh, that is so cute. I like that. Oops. Okay, what's next? Bracelets. And we got the little yeehaw theme again. Little cowgirl boot there. And oh, he's a little cow dude. Okay. These are kind of cute. I like those. Oh, I got a little pencil case that says "Be a kind human." Adorable. Oh, we got one that works. Oh, they gave us one, a courtesy one that doesn't have trash on the end. So this is what the pen's supposed to do. It's got, okay, it's still a little bit broken. Is that an eraser? No. It's a fidget pen. Ah, the little dude, little gummy bear dude. But then, does it work? Kind of has. Does it pen? How do you pen? Hey, this one works. It's like a pen, but it's like really, really fine. Look at that for a nib. Super fine. Okay, that's cute. I might have to keep that one. Sorry. It's another notebook with 1 page in it. That is awesome. Were they sticky notes or something, maybe? I bet they were really cool sticky notes. Yeah, look, it's supposed to have 100 sheets in it. Michaels, I don't mind these boxes, but please don't give us just trash. Like, what am I going to do? Print and make my own bus-themed stuff. Ooh, okay. Right, this is cute. It matches the box from earlier. It's a lanyard, which is really handy because I keep losing my keys and because my last lanyard broke. So that's probably going to come in handy. Oh, wow. Okay, this one's really exciting. It seems to be, well, it says do not eat. It actually says throw away. That is really handy. I'm going to put it right in the throw away bin. Oh, now this is wonderful. Do you know what this is, don't you? No, okay, neither do I then. In the trash. We got another skateboard. What does this one say? This is our happy place with another a sharpener. Oh, another one of these because we didn't have enough already. What's that say? Gold Star Club. Okay. These are going to be, this is a mountain of, is that the last thing? Okay. Oh, that's fun. I have a dinosaur keychain. Don't be jealous. I kind of feel like he should hold a pen though. Does he hold a pen? He might hold a pencil though. What do you think? Fidget toy anti-stress.
Get like a fidget toy bucket in your classroom.
Yeah. And that will just be for the teachers, I think. It's getting up to the exciting times of year. Ooh, look what we found. Okay, we have one of the notebooks. Yes. So all I have to do is take off the dog hair sticky label from the back, open this one, and slap it in there. There we go. Okay, that's useful. Okay, this I'm gonna keep. That is really cute. Is it? Ah, I do. A throwback to my first box, but I didn't get any florals like this, so. Was that the end of the box? I do more. Wow. Oh, these are kind of cute. Oh, and this one, was this the end of the box? Did we make it to the end?
There's a couple of stray flowers, but that's
a couple of stray flowers. Okay. Wow. So this was an interesting one. I do forget that Michael sells teacher stuff as well. But what do you think? Was this box a hit or a miss? Obviously the universe wanted me to have this box today, and they tempted us because it was the heaviest box out of all of them. So, you know, if you were going by weight, watch that. If this kind of stuff is no use for you, the heavier boxes might mean that you might be donating a lot of stuff to your local place where there's lots of children. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And if you're liking this, let me know. And the entertainment is quite good for me. So if you want me to go and buy another one of these boxes from another one, we'll see what we get. See you soon.